Habakran baglap thai khubor uba PNCM ulong baula shim ya karai banum setia ya ka kam long num ikmat la kum MLA ne MDC namar ka amendment bill jong sarkar MUA 2 bat unwat ya ka jing bishar ka bahok ka jing no menta ya ka kam MLA ne kam MDC ka de ka jing pendam trong ha ka bill ka bompat long setia wat nang ka andru ong uba pensingan habakran baglap thai khubor hinin ka jangmiet Katkum ka title and commencement ne ka kerteng bat ka por ban stang trekam jong ka prevention of disqualification members of Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2015 jong sarkar MUA 2 bala menjor da ka dorbar senrai mena ka apsa tarik nailor ka sarkar MUA 2 ka labo hak sitarik urisau han hadu bala penmi yak ni khubor umpayo jintip satia la ulat ka jela ula aji menjor ne em yak ne ka bil bakan longan susu uba pensingan ula ong ru bawala kiwe ki para misi le eno yak kam namar ka ne ka amendment bill jong ka sarkar MUA 2 hen mo uhi shimet ula rai benum pendam satia hak ne ka bil jong sarkar jela klem de khoni la ka hok uba pensingan ula rum yak jingelang jong borok ki nong kersan ber ki pai the vote jong u na Mosram constituency bantuan jemut halor ka ne ka kam
Ngatrai kumbang ala batai fi beres kata ya ka stan ka jonga kata galong ka bang ngongi fi ba ngaklem ne kanu ko bakla I do anything wrong bar kumbang ngongi fi ba watla kataru ki electorate kulai simbenta ka jing thebot haus nam arja ka saw nagam tra MDC election hakba unduna ya ka khandai hajar bot tam ki babot ya nga bagi participate menggunakan ka arpo hajar bot ka ngalak khot iki nong kersan ki jonga bagi bom kersan ro di ba kersan ka issue menega sngi hamo sundam bar hadin bangla batai lut yaki ki baro na lo sedang kata kolong hadin ka jing persang biang jong inang ne ban wanra biang ikang ba sinong ka bor hadin bang persang ban interbin ya ka enforcement jong muda berkiwi-kiwi ni snut hu ba kane ka amendment bill kadi ka malfa intention le singa banong ka jong personal yang haji de bakani ka entry 9 bar ki pajma ki ongkum ni ke ingle bakla arjar khatsa khatla ngi job election MLA arjar khat sawngi file namar ka don ka entry 9 ka priban yang ngi na ka disqualification Siteng por ka bon badap ka tem ki wan ra ya kanika amendment ban dilit no ya katai ka entry kamut ka sarkar MUA tu kabale ya ka ba bakla balingin sokom ban resign ni resign par ngalayo ya ka approval ka jong upai ba menegas ni hakapor khatwi baji hamo sendam kabakila ai ya ka approval bahabangi klemle bakla instan la kade hangnu mentangi sutu ka bol kadang ka kot jungu gobernur ngasnu ba lada kam materialize la shai on and from kamut kabil ke pas kadon ya ka technical problem terus ngas ngoban ong mangan ko abanong my client clear bahadin bangayo ka approval na kinong kersan ki jonga kalong ba nganom resign la kalong MLA la kalong MDC ka kam jonga kalong kumbang ayang election arja khatla ya khatsaw ngan stan hangta bat ngan wat ya ka justification rakadi nangnu nangru lai kendu gubernur ngalai ka justification ke jonga nasutunat bu gubernur unhapak simin bhai ka ikani kabil bar ngasusu let's say anam punal barang maya menta kasyong masai ka sini ringa supen pau jin sumu ba kinong korsan jonga ngi ka bangin sa IF ki duru ki approve ya ka stan jonga namar ki ong ba ni ki pai ba hamau sundram ni klam lek bakla balek bakla ka sokai MUA tu ada piong bagat ka don ka judiciary balik nadu menu ka sarkar MUA tu kala diga agency jong ka judiciary pamungamut banong hot executive banong agency jong judiciary terang ong epi ngilong farm instan ni haru lada kili banyo justice la nang nang Tetang kita kendian ngim dadon sibun kiki. Anything lagi dan banong to.
Kendian golong mo beli ek ane ka long mo target e.
Hot.
Itlak ni su fen kay ka daw kita.
Ya kata ngan ong ini ngas sutrat bana kalian jongi ngila persang bana make one platform to voice and to air all the issues. Kata kadi kadi demokratik praktis. Tendo yang amtip kumangan pertama biang ngepi. Akaji kendu jongi ong bangin klik kitab. Bani pay records. Kandon ke cordial discussion, cordial coordination. During that process, you bring the amendment bill. High in the confidence community come. Along the sentiment of the people, the issues I had to take. If the government, the leader failed to take all the important issue, carrying the sentiment of the people, carrying the main agenda of the people, I have to take. That is not any party. It depends on the ICC to judge. Government cannot disqualify me. If it is under the 10 schedule, Speaker will disqualify me. This is not under the 10 schedule. This is under the Article 191, Office of Profit. Are we sure that MDC is an office of profit? Natarong ong ba, I baki bor ki bahalor can define whether MDC is an office of profit. I am not alone. In fact, I am with my people only. That's why I do not feel alone. Because as I told you that, in fact, this is not the appropriate time to take a decision to resign. Are we sure that governor will ascend? Suppose now, if governor is not ascend tonight, it has to be published in the Gazette. Then what about the intention of the bill? On and from 1st, if 2nd of October, 3rd of October, it has not realized, do we think that is still acceptable the bill? It means kalau long again second intention juga bill bagi pas apa house. Dengan suka dengan orang kerki bangin desain Indonesia. 1 week before commencement of the assembly session. At the same time, it should be discussed thoroughly in the CLP. But this practice has not been done. So that's why I am very right to oppose the introduction of this amendment bill, because it is not done properly as per party procedures. MDC is dual post, but the point is whether MDC is the office of profit. Tiniduk mentang impat long clear. Kadiri office of profit. Baladagam the office of profit, inclusion or exclusion of entry 9 it has no difference. 10 schedule cannot apply in the schedule. A piece of paper, do you think that it will apply to the decision of the schedule? There are so many things. Tagaraw, these people clashing a very hurry decision to sign.